I'm gonna do a quick video and kind of show some of the activity going on in 3 of my hives. Show how much the bees are working. Hopefully they'll be in a good mood today. But here's my swarm hive, the one that was captured as a swarm, and I put in here. Now I've got a pretty good bit of brood in here, and they are working pretty good. You can see there's some pollen coming in. They're working pretty good. Now the next hives I'm going to show you, they have a good bit more population, so they're working a little bit harder. Let's see if I can get you over there to that. The left is my 8-frame hive, and the right one is my 10-frame hive. It's early morning. It's overcast. It's probably about 8:30, 8:45 in the morning. Look at the activity on my 10-frame hive here. It seems to have the most bees. The girls are working hard. Hopefully they're getting me some honey, I hope. We'll see what happens here in a couple of weeks. I added a super to my 2 larger hives, and hopefully a super to each one. Hopefully the bees are working on it. I'll try to check them out later on, and may do another video on that if I have someone that has time to come out with me.